Right now, we're seeing an interesting spike in environmental sentiment, registering a score of plus 0.51, with a momentum of plus 0.64 over the last 24 hours. This is noteworthy, especially considering the historical baseline we've observed, where sentiment fluctuations have typically hovered around neutral. This uptick indicates a growing positive sentiment toward environmental initiatives. Our API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores, momentum trends, and semantic clusters, to help you analyze this shift more deeply. Imagine leveraging this data to enhance your application that tracks sustainability initiatives. By integrating our Sentiment API, you can provide real-time insights into public opinion, helping organizations adapt their strategies effectively. Start exploring today at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.